Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to target business owners in Facebook ads. Let's begin. So, I'd say my first suggestion would be going to facebook.com/business because there's an option there that says business solutions. If you hover your mouse there, depends on your goal. So say if I wanted to target business owners, I could also do, generate leads. And this will give you pretty much an overview on what you should do for you to find new clients, or if you want to target certain clients. So there's a lot of tutorial in here, as well as like step by step on how it's done. So now, for instance, if I just really want to do it in my Facebook page. So for example, this would be your Facebook account, and then you have an existing page already. You click on that. So if you want to target business owners, there's a way for you to do that. Go to the left portion of the page, go to Ad Center, and then actually you look for the word audiences there. So for audiences, you click on that. If you click on that, this would lead you to this page, and then of course it's very aligned to what we're trying to look for, like business owners. Then create an audience. You click on that. So this one, you just write, create audience. So in my case, I just want to target business owners. So for example, my page is I'm a supplier for coffee and I wanted to sell this to business owners. So, this is one way for you to actually do that. So here, this is more of like the tips on how to target. You do detailed targeting. So since I'm into coffee, I'm a supplier for coffee beans. I will be looking for business owners who has coffee. So, you can click on that. So this is an example. So if you're gonna be saving this, so I'm not gonna do that because it might, change my Facebook page. That's really not related to coffee. But if you're gonna save this one, guys, the algorithm of the Facebook ad is it would, for those people who are either searching for suppliers or talking about coffee, anything that's relevant to your business, the algorithm for Facebook would actually go to those people as well. So if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.